we're here in Cincinnati.
Yeah.
So Cincinnati and the greater Ohio area and state, a lot of small businesses here have the opportunity, because of the geographical location, to operate on fully East Coast, interact with business partners over on the West Coast as well, down south too. Does that give them almost a different kind of demand set from maybe organizations that are just small businesses that are just focused on one particular coast? Does that make your job almost harder?
That's a good question. It doesn't come up too much. I mean, we write everywhere in the United States. We're in all 50 states plus DC, and we probably write the most businesses in the typical population centers, although we do write a lot of business in Ohio and the Cincinnati area as well.
Absolutely amazing. And I'm going to take this tailored approach further, and we've talked about the simplicity side of things, but let's talk about the tailored approach, because you can obviously have a small business that's a bakery, and then you can have a small business that ships nuts and bolts to different parts of the world. So how do you employ that same level of simplicity while also being highly tailored?
That's a great question, and that's kind of the importance of what we've done on the insurance side. The simplicity with respect to our product is really the binding and the coverage recommendations, but insurance is anything but simple on the other side. And so you may have a florist who needs this type of product, but you may have a manufacturer who needs a very different type of product.
Yeah.
And what we do, a part of what we do with that 3,000 pieces of information that we get in, is not just understanding whether or not we want to write this risk, but appropriately classifying them and then matching them up with the appropriate coverage. This not only helps the insured feel like, hey, I'm getting taken care of, but it also helps agents and brokers who are assisting these insureds, because they may not know exactly what the big needs are for their customer. And so we bring a lot of value not only to the small business owner, but also the agent and broker who's trying to help them in the process.